Microfiber cleaning cloths. Starting now, there's a new and improved tool for cleaning and disinfecting school buses. It's the microfiber cleaning cloth. It takes everyone's help to create a culture of clean to keep our students and drivers safe and healthy, so our students remain focused on learning. Our disinfectant cleaner is Green Seal certified and approved by the Environmental Protection Agency to be strong enough to clean and disinfect surfaces and be safe to use around students and drivers. Microfiber cloth and water alone traps 98% of bacteria and 93% of virus germs. When used with our disinfecting spray, our microfiber cloth does an especially safe and effective job. Each driver will receive 5 green microfiber cloths. They will be distributed by your supervisor. You will not disinfect with paper towels anymore. After every elementary and high school run, you must disinfect your bus before the next students are picked up. You will still hang your red lanyard for the bus to be fogged each day. Wear a mask and gloves and spray all seats and all high-touch areas with the Fulton County Schools specified disinfectant. Wait at least 1 minute for the disinfectant to sit on the surface. Fold the green cloth in half and then in half again. This will give you 8 cleaning surfaces. Wipe all seats and high-touch areas. The same cloth should be used for both AM and PM routes for that one day. The next day, use a new cloth. 1 cloth per day. Spray the disinfectant on the surface to be cleaned, not on the cloth. You can store in a fresh trash bag in the driver's storage compartment. The next day, use a new cloth. 1 cloth per day. Remember to wipe down your bus after the elementary and after the high school runs, but not after the middle school run. You'll put out your red lanyard for the bus to be fogged after the route. How to get your green cloths cleaned? Each org will have a specific day that your cloths will be cleaned. The procedure is, on that day, after the AM route, you will still hang your red lanyard for the bus to be fogged, then take all your used green cloths to the old ET office for cleaning, the same place to refill your disinfectant. It's a trade-off. When you give your used cloths in, you'll receive the same number back. You should keep track and always have 5 cloths. We all play a role when it comes to health and safety. Thank you for doing your part to keep you and our students safe.